Welcome to this module. Now that you have your Binance account, it's time to become familiar with its interface. Understanding how to navigate Binance is key to your trading success. Let's dive in. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Binance dashboard. This is your command center. Here, you can view your portfolio, access different markets, and get a quick snapshot of the crypto market. Familiarize yourself with this page as it gives you a broad overview of your trading activities. Next up is your wallet. This section shows your total balance, transaction history, and provides tools for depositing or withdrawing funds. It's important to check your wallet regularly to keep track of your assets. Binance offers several types of trading. For beginners, the basic trading option is a great place to start. Here you can easily buy or sell cryptocurrencies. As you grow more confident, you can explore advanced trading, which offers detailed technical analysis tools. Understanding market and limit orders is crucial. A market order buys or sells immediately at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Managing your funds is straightforward on Binance. You can deposit cryptocurrencies or fiat money, and when you're ready to withdraw, Binance makes the process simple and secure. Lastly, don't forget to use Binance's resources. The platform offers a news section, educational materials, and regular updates. These can be invaluable in keeping you informed about the market and any new features on Binance. You're now equipped to navigate the Binance interface. Spend some time exploring it. In our next module, we'll delve into the exciting world of making your first trade. See you there.